How to reconfigure the color LED units. Removing the unit. First, make sure the unit is powered down. Each module has a bar and arrow mark to indicate the module connection points. When reconfiguring modules, always start sequentially from the top. Having a firm hold on the bottom of the unit, rotate counterclockwise to remove the modules. When unlocking the module, rotate it to line up with the bar marks until the unit clicks. Raise upwards to remove. Remove the other units in the same manner. Attaching the unit. When attaching modules, add sequentially from the bottom, one at a time. Once again, having a firm hold, insert modules by aligning the bar mark. Turn clockwise until the click and the arrow is aligned with the bottom bar mark. Continue to add up to 5 light modules in the same manner. Finished. Assembling the unit. Hold the body firmly and remove the head cover by rotating it counterclockwise. Attach the modules sequentially from the bottom, one at a time. Attach the modules in any color sequence. Finished. Adding additional modules to the LR unit. First, make sure the unit is powered down. Having a firm hold on the lower unit, turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Each module can be reattached sequentially from the bottom in any order. Finished. First, make sure the unit is powered down. Having a firm hold on the lower unit, remove the head cover. Finished. When using the angle bracket. Below the angle bracket base is a blade latch. Depress the blade latch and pull the pole assembly outward to release it. Once the lock is released and the pole assembly is out, it will move freely. While holding the pole, rotate the pole assembly. Align the arrow marks, push in and turn until the arrow aligns with the bar mark until it clicks to indicate it is locked. Depress the blade latch and follow the steps as previously mentioned. It is now locked in its vertical position. Finished.